Solar quote checklist. Thinking of going solar? Ensure you make an informed decision by knowing the key things to look for in a solar quote. Here are 5 key factors for a well-informed decision. Key 1. System size and energy production. Look for a quote that specifies the system size in kilowatts and estimates the energy production in kilowatt hours to ensure it meets your energy needs. Key 2. Equipment quality. Pay attention to the type and brand of solar panels and inverters. Key 3. Warranty coverage. Check for comprehensive warranties that cover not just the solar panels, but also the installation and other system components. A solid warranty provides peace of mind. Key 4. Financing and incentives. Explore the financing options mentioned in the quote, such as solar loans or lease agreements. Additionally, look for information about available rebates, tax credits, and other incentives that can lower your costs. Key 5. Installation experience and reputation. Research the installer mentioned in the quote. Check their experience, certifications, customer reviews, and track record to ensure they have the expertise to install your solar system. Remember, a solar quote is more than just numbers. Look for these key things to make an informed decision. Contact SolarSME or visit our website to get a customized solar quote.